Hey y'all, it's your girl Kristine, my angel, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we'll be using the Juvia's Paste Berry Palette to achieve this pretty look. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned and keep watching so you can see how I achieve this pretty look.
And before I get into the video, I would like you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'd like you guys to hit that bell so you're notified when I post my latest video. And also, I would like you guys to share this video to everyone. And let's just get into the video. Okay, y'all, let's get into these brows. So I'm gonna take these glasses off. And I am using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. You guys should know that if you've been watching like the last two videos. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I am going to prime my eyelids using the Fit Me by Maybelline concealer in the color 01 and Cool. And I'm using my Real Techniques 305 Instapop shade brush. Looks like this. So just y'all, now that my base is down on my eyes, we're gonna get into this look. And I think I am going to do a halo eye again using this palette because I really loved my halo look last time, and I feel like I should take more and better pictures, but I didn't. But I will do it this time. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye again because this is gonna be so cute. So I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetic brush, it's the number 8 in the Studio Pro brush set, and I'm going to shade number 1, and then I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack it on this end, pack on this end, and make like an N. And this time I'm gonna try to focus and keep a wider inside. I'm trying to go up higher also, because my last one I didn't. So just going to, and I'm not gonna rub it. I'm just gonna pat it just to get that color that I need. And then I am going to go into shade 2, and I'm going to use my BH Cosmetic brush number 6 in the Studio Pro brush set. This looks like this, and I'm going to dip in this. I'm just basically going to use this just to buff out, so you know, buff out this dark pink, you know, good looking vibrant. And then lightly, I'm going to lightly do this. Okay, y'all, and then I am going to go into shade 5, which is this deep purple, and see if I can deepen it up just a little bit. Just a little bit. To cut my crease, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the color F1. It's like super skinny, and I want to try it. Let me see. I want to try this a little bit. See if it can make me like a good line. Let's see. feel like I should have did a good crease. But I let it dry a little bit. And I'm just going to buff out the edges. So, harsh line, I'm going to start off with the brush. I'm going to start off with color shade 1 that I did, the first color I did. And then I'm going to deepen it.
To take a packer brush, my other brushes that I have to find. I'm gonna take this brush, you guys can see it, and I'm going to shade 4. I'm going to put that on there. It's like a very pretty shimmer shade, and I'm gonna try it first without setting spray because I want to sparkle, but if it don't sparkle, I will use setting spray.
Alright, y'all, I'm back. And it took me a long time to apply these lashes, y'all. And oh my god, it's so hard applying lashes. It really is, like, so hard. But anyway, let's get into this stuff for my face. I have bought the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. And I'm going to use that as a moisturizer. Alright, y'all. Then I am about to go and put on my foundation. I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation in the color KANO 150. I'm going to put that all over my face.
Alright, y'all, now I'm about to go in with my Juvia Face Concealer, the same one I used to do my eyebrows. I'm using the shade number 8. Okay, y'all, before I do my contour with my Juvia Face Congo thing, I want to try a little powder, y'all. Powder usually scares me, so I hope I don't mess this up, but I'm going to try powder because, yeah, never tried it before. Just want to try it. Put some on my hand, just a little bit.
To contour with my Juvia's Place Congo foundation stick. It's very dark.
And I think I want to put some color under here. Let's see if it's going to work. I am going to use, I'm going with shade 8 first, and then I'm going to go in with shade 6 to try to deepen it. I just hope this don't mess up.
other products I'm going to be using is my ColourPop Lippy Pencil and BFF3. I'm going to use this just a clear lip gloss, and I'm also going to use my NYX Duro lip gloss, sparkle lip gloss, in a sense, Bring It On.
Alright, you guys, and then I'm just going to use some blush from Juvia's Place Velvet Blush. I'm also going to use some highlighter out the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour. I'm going to use this highlighter. And I'm going to use some blush. Okay, you guys, and I'm just lightly putting some blush on my cheeks. I didn't want to go too overboard with the blush. And then in this clip, I'm applying some highlighter on my nose and also on my cheeks and on my nose. All right, y'all, this is the final look. I really love this gorgeous palette. This is the final look. It's pretty, and I tried powder on my face. Probably don't look like it, but I tried a little bit. And I put, like, you know, the colors on there and stuff. I am so proud of myself. This looks so pretty. And I just wet my hair, y'all. Not all the way. Still got a lot of learning to do. But I am so proud of myself with this look, y'all. And if you like this look, please give me a thumbs up, please. And please comment and say you like it. Share my video and subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified when I post more videos. And I want to thank you guys for watching and see you next time.